Welcome to my crib. Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another come apartment shopping with me, but today we're not going to Target. We're actually going to IKEA and then probably a bed furniture store. It is Labor Day when I'm filming this, and I thought it would be a good idea to look for furniture on a holiday because there's going to be a lot of sales, and I thought since I'm actually like shopping on a budget, it would be more beneficial for me to actually do it on a day where I can get the bed for cheaper. And also, beds sometimes take a while to come in, so I wanted to do it before actually having to settle into my apartment, which is in a little over a month from now. But with all that being said, first we're gonna go to Starbucks and then we're gonna go to IKEA. Can I please have a venti iced coffee with no classic and 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce, please? And then can I have a grande strawberry acai with lemonade, no berries, and really light ice? We have to do a taste test. All right, so this is the venti iced coffee, no classic, 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce.
You're not gonna like that.
It's really bad. I'm gonna drink it anyway, but it's not good. Don't get it. We just got to IKEA and I've never been here before and it looks huge. I mean, I obviously know what it is. I've seen it all over YouTube and all over social media, but I've never actually been in one, so I'm really excited. I guess I just like never really had a purpose to go in one because I was living in my parents' house. But with that being said, we're going to go in to IKEA and see what we can find. I find it very weird that IKEA doesn't have music, but Target does, but I could film here, so that's good. We are currently looking for a bed. I obviously can't like push a cart around here because I'm looking for bigger furniture, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated through everything. Right now I'm looking for a bed, but so far it looks very packed, but I'm happy that there's no music so I can actually record. I feel like this is a very cute like decor piece that I can use, but I don't know if I'm going to get it today. So we made it to the couch section. I'm looking for like a futon couch and I'm going to compare it to a bed. This seems like, I don't know.
Oh, it's comfy.
Is it? Oh. The last couch I just sat on was really comfortable, but it's not a futon and I need a futon if I'm going to get a couch. This is a cool light. How much is this? This is $169. I really like this light. This one is $100. It's not that bad, so I might get this, but I'm not sure. Update, I am very overwhelmed. There's like so much stuff here and I like still can't find the bed. This is very uncomfortable. Still looking for beds, but in the meantime, while we're looking for beds, I am sitting and still like testing all the couches to see if I could come across one that I like. However, so far I haven't came across one. That's actually really cool. It's like a hand.
Oh wow.
It's a cool
desk.
desk.
Light built into the desk.
Oh, the LED lights are in it?
Yeah, look, it has a cup holder.
Welcome to my crib. See, this is a futon though, but it's really hard. It's like not comfortable. So far I haven't found a bed. I gave up on looking for the beds right now and I'm just exploring what they have here because I have no idea where anything is, so it's just easier this way. I'm on this couch right now. It's actually pretty comfortable and they have like showrooms here. So I'm just looking at the showrooms to see what they have and like to get ideas, and it's actually kind of fun. So I recommend coming here if you want and just like roaming around because it's fun. This is not comfortable though. Oh, it does look like grass. That's kind of cool. I actually really like this section. I like how it's decorated and I feel like it's kind of my vibe. This couch is actually so comfortable. I really like it. And this room, like I was saying, is very neat. They have this really cute mirror that I want to put like above my wall that I think is really cute, so I might get this. I think that this is really organized and I really like this as well, but I don't know where I'd put it. I feel like this is cool to hold like apples or something. So they have these chairs that I could put by my island and they're $100, which I think is pretty good for stools. They're not that comfortable. It's like my own personal kitchen. This is cool. I'm like in my element. I found these stools and I actually like them better, so I think I'm going to get these instead because they like swivel and like go up and down, which I think is good because you could adjust it. I found the beds. Ooh, that's actually kind of cool the way that's set up. See, but it's not bad. It's like comfortable.
It is comfortable. It's a day bed.
Yeah, it's just a day bed. All right, so they have this day bed, which I think is kind of cute. It's kind of comfortable, but I don't know if I am gonna want to pull out the bed every night, so we're gonna keep looking. This one is really nice. I would get it in white, but I do think it's really nice. The mattress is not comfortable, but I like the bed frame. And I would get it in white, but this is all the colors that it does come in. We made it to the mattress section, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna go somewhere else, like a mattress store, because these aren't like the nicest mattresses. Oh, ow. Yeah, that's a no. Made it out of the like showroom area and now we're in the area where you can actually like buy things and put things in a cart. So I'm gonna look for accessories now and see what I can find. guys were subscribed to me during my LA vlogs when I went to LA with Ariella, you would know that we lost our car. After about 30 minutes of us searching the parking lot for our car and missing our reservations at Dream Space, we finally found it.
We literally were walking, we got like 10,000 steps in because we swore we were on the first level, but turns out we were actually on the third level. So we spent a half hour on the wrong floor.
And me and Chad currently lost the car in the IKEA parking lot, so that's great. We still can't find the car as an update.
Yeah, it's here. It's here. We came over here.
Oh, you found it?
No. This is where we were before.
Okay, so we didn't find it. Okay, we found the car. It didn't take that long, so that's good. But the IKEA line was so long. I had stuff in my cart, but when I tell you so long, it was literally to the back of the store. So I'm going to order that stuff online, and I'll give you guys a haul of that in a different video. But what I'm going to get is a bed and then probably a mattress from the mattress store we're going to go to. I'm going to get a heart ice mold tray and then some like blue bowls that'll match my kitchen. I'll definitely give you a haul of like unboxing everything if you guys are interested in that, so be sure to subscribe. But right now we are going to go to a mattress store because like I said, it's Labor Day and I feel like everything will be on sale. Before going to the mattress store, I actually went home and went on my computer and went to IKEA and typed in the things that I wanted to get. First things first, I looked for a bed frame. The mattress that I actually bought I knew was going to be platform, so I got a platform bed style bed frame. This one looked really cool because it has drawers on the side, which I really thought was going to be good for storage. So I added that to my cart, and then I started to look at mirrors. I really wanted a circle mirror, and this is the exact one that I saw in IKEA, so I wanted to add this to my cart as well because I have the perfect spot for it. Then I also wanted to get some blue bowls, so I scrolled through the website until I could find the ones that I had in the store, and it took a while, but I finally found them, and it comes in a set of 4. I just added them to my cart, and then I headed right to the mattress store to get the mattress I wanted. Alright, so I just got a mattress at Mattress Firm. It's like a cooling one, so it like adjusts to your like temperature of your apartment. I don't know, something like that. That's probably not right, but that's what I got from what the guy was saying. So I got that. It's getting delivered to my apartment, and there was Labor Day sales, so that was really beneficial for me. But with all that being said, that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. More moving content will be coming soon. With all that being said, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.